Yeah, guys, the Power Smart 26-inch took care of business today. Yeah. Well, the snow's kind of compact now. We've got like 5.5 inches, but the plow dumps like 3 feet of snow on my driveway. I don't know why. Just a storm, guys, we got today. Cold weather is coming. After tomorrow, we'll be in a deep freeze. Well, that's gonna suck, but I just want to show you what's going on with the snowstorm here in Pennsylvania. So far, a lot of ice, snow, perfect snowball making, if that's what you're into, but it's cold, cold. Winds are starting to pick up. Thanks for watching, guys.